Welcome, this is Professor DeFrance. Let's take a look at what we're doing this fall here at Columbus State University. I'm teaching English 2. So once you look at the course content, see the basic course information here. All right, and then the units of study, 1, 2, 3, 4, in that order. Over here under assessments, there are quizzes. Of course, you do want to check your grades as well. There will be 4 quizzes in the course. So go ahead and make the first one visible. You will see the rubrics under rubrics. Should check those out. Those are helpful. And under communications, there are discussions. So those are the things that you get points for in the course. So make sure to, of course, look at content. That shows you basically everything, right? Under assessments, you have quizzes. Do check the rubrics, do check your grades. Yes. Under communications, I do put a lot of announcements up, weekly announcements, just to keep you on track with the course. But mainly the discussions there are things you would get points for in the course. That's basically it, other than like a more detailed tour of the units, right? I'm going to go through these and make sure that it should be fine, but I'm going to go through and check some of the links. Those look pretty good. Yeah, I'm not going to do this right now. But basically, they're set up like this. You have your Unit 1, and at the top there, you're going to have important lectures, which include video, include presentations I've put together, and a lot of times it's just both. Like this one here, I've attached both of them, the PowerPoint and the lecture to go along with it. You'll see it here for MLA, for essay writing, definition. All these are related concepts, which would be helpful as you're doing your first assignment, which is in this course. This is English composition 2, so we're doing the annotated bibliography first. That's going to be our first assignment. But at the top there, you'll see all the related, like basically lecture course material that I've created to help you. In the next section here, readings for the course. The readings for the course. And as you might expect, since we're writing and creating an annotated bibliography, there's a lot of readings and links here on that topic. Videos, the same. That all looks pretty good. I'll go back and check it. And then with each assignment, there is an activity, which they're well weighted. I mean, they're worth a significant amount of points. I would definitely don't skip the activities. The activities are very important, and mainly they're also important because they help you as like a stepping stone to help create your essay for each particular unit. And so here you'll see the sample paper, which is here, the Unit 1 activity. Okay, and they basically all look like that. So if you go in and look at the units, like Unit 2, for example, you see it about the same. There's like the concept there, lectures, readings, videos, activity, and sample essays. So they basically all look like that. Under course information, of course, it's very important to look at the calendar. I'll be putting things in the announcements to help you stay on track. But the calendar is very important because it tells you what you're doing, when you're doing it, gives you like when to start the essay, which discussion post to do, when the activities are due. So I'll be going over that stuff in the weekly announcements, but it's also right here in the calendar. All right, do let me know if you have any questions. You'll see my email. Of course, you can contact me numerous ways, but on the top of the syllabus, right here. All right, and do let me know if you have any questions, and I'm always available to meet. Just let me know. All right, you guys have a wonderful day.